Why you can't stay consistent. When you're trying to build a habit, but your motivation disappears faster than a Wi-Fi signal in the rain. Pause. Today we're discussing 3 points. Point number 1. You rely too much on motivation. Motivation is great, but it's also unreliable. It shows up when it wants, and it leaves without warning. If you wait to feel ready, your habits will always stay stuck in someday. Small actions repeated often beat big actions done once. Point number 2. You make the habit too heavy. When the task feels huge, your brain starts negotiating with you like a lawyer. But when you make the task tiny, you remove the fear. A 2-minute start is still a start. Small wins make big tasks easier. Point number 3. You don't make the environment work for you. If everything around you pulls you backward, staying consistent feels like climbing uphill with socks on. Make your environment quiet, clean, and distraction-free. Make the right action the easy action. If you want consistency, don't chase motivation. Build tiny starts. Shape your environment. Simple changes. Real progress. And if you found this helpful, it's your turn to take a tiny action. Thanks for watching. And if you want more simple ideas that bring clarity, one idea at a time, subscribe.